Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here we have a sample of repair today on Lexus. Not Toyota, it's a Lexus ES300. Super low miles, 90,000 miles on the meter. Absolutely beautiful inside out. Beautiful leather, preserved, everything is really nice. Gorgeous vehicle, but the speedometer, when you put it on, the speedometer doesn't work. And I already made a video on this channel that there is a one code, check engine light, one code P0500, and it's for vehicle speed sensor. I already show you how to locate it, how to remove it, and you saw details of it. Today I got replacement part from Toyota, so let's go and do the repair itself. I will try to do my best to show you every single detail of this procedure. So this is what we fished out of the vehicle. This is the speed sensor itself, and there is also this gear shaft with this plastic gearing. This is what the dealer gave me today. Look at it. Sensor speedometer, or they call it speedometer sensor 83181-12040. Let's see what is in the package. I want to show you everything, so I waited for you when I can grab the camera and show you every single detail. Well, look at it, something's missing here. This is the bolt which was holding it down in the vehicle, so it's sitting here. So here is the old part, new part, but we will have to transfer this shaft and that gear. Obviously, it was not supplied. I saw online when I was checking this entire repair, I saw online that some of them came with the shaft and with the gearing, and there were also pictures without. So today our reality is without. However, it came with a new O-ring. You don't have to order this separately. So now, how do I transfer that gear with that shaft? It seems to be that it will be held by this metal clip. I think it's a metal clip. Let's see. I brought this tool. Hopefully it will let me to lift this clip. It should. And it will release. So here is the clip. Now it's in this direction. Will this let me slide the shaft out? Absolutely. Now it has this protrusion here, so I better make sure I will engage that into the new sensor correctly. When are you coming in? You have to feel it. Right now, for example, when I'm turning it, there's no resistance and it's not turning anything inside. But if I feel it go around, now it will let me go more in. Oh yeah, and that's it. Do you see how it kind of clicked in? Okay, very good. Now this will be the holding clip. It was this way. Oh yeah. So basically, do you see the thing? Here is the flat part, and that comes here. That comes here, and it just clips on it this way. And that's all what it was. I will check the correct function. Oh yeah. This is way more hard to turn than the old one. The old one was not giving me any resistance whatsoever. right now when I'm turning it. Oh yeah, now it's seated perfectly. So it was actually, this was not seated correctly. It's good to go up and down. Now the clip seated all the way. It turns more easy than just seconds ago. However, there's still way more resistance than on the old one. So I set up the lights in the vehicle. Let's go and install it in. And I will just show you where it is located, because there's no way to have a camera here and me working, holding the camera. But do you see the opening? So on the right hand side, that's the one bolt 10mm which is holding it down. So all I have to do, just insert that sensor carefully inside there. Okay, here we are. There is coolant hoses which are feeding the heater inside of the vehicle. All I have to do, just push them slightly on the side. But I will carefully, feeling it, carefully enter it all the way in. I want to make sure the gears will engage and I don't break anything down there. That's why I said there's no way to put the camera down there either. Now I need that 10mm bolt. I will hand tie it and just use extension. I will have my long extension to reach there, and just small ratchet. This is small bolt. You don't want to yank on it too much. 10mm as we said. See how I'm holding it? I'm not even torquing too much on it. I don't want to break anything. So that's it. The next, we don't want to forget, that is the wiring harness sitting here on the side. Where did I put it? I put it on the side. It's a 3-pin connector, blue, pink and red. So that needs to go back on top of that sensor. I will change my light again. You heard a click. Hopefully you will be able to see that shiny new Phillips screws and the wire. Here comes the part you didn't see me to remove. It's that intake pipe. What is the best way not to damage these? You want to be careful with these, because they are so easy to break. You know what? The best and safest will be take this up this way, make more space, and now we will not break anything. And we will be ready to see if we really fix it or not. The speedometer before was not working whatsoever. There was not intermittent action. It was completely dead, and that was a hard code P0500. Battery is connected back. Brand new timing belt installed. I still need to bleed the air from the cooling system. Let's see if I will be able to clear the code. Where is it? Right there. The other way. Boom. Before you couldn't. The code was, it was a hard code. You couldn't get rid of it. It will just stay. This vehicle feels so nice and clean. It's unbelievable. I still didn't start it up. Wow, look at it. It's not there. It automatically read everything, and because there is no problem anymore with that sensor, it's not showing the code. That was already enough for it to get correct results. So we have no code. I can start it up. I'm still on the lift. You can see the mileage here. I'm still on the lift. Absolutely beautiful, guys. If I put it in the, maybe in the low, we can probably see the speed, or I will film it later when I will be finished with bleeding that system. I'm stepping on the brake, but if I go in the low, see that? It's already working, so carefully, gradually stop, and I can already see the comments underneath the videos. Oh, will it work for my 2015 Camry or Corolla? No. This is only certain design of the certain years. This will work on Toyotas. This is Lexus product, but it's Toyota engine, Toyota transmission. It's a 1998 with a V6 engine. So for similar years it will work. However, as design is changing, there will be no more gears running this speedometer. There will be different sensors. There are normally 2 of them on the transmission, which will be feeding the ECM the information about the speed of the vehicle. So this will be very limited. I don't know how to crisscross for you what exact years or Corollas or Camrys it will work on. I don't know. That sensor was basically with a tax almost $400. So let's see if we fix that, or it was a big waste of money, Peter. Look how gorgeous this is, guys. I'm running it on hot because bleeding that heater. You can finally get rid of that and go with some lower temperature so I don't sweat here like a piggy. Let's see, guys. Reverse, let's go. Vehicles moving. If others, is our speedometer reading anything, guys, huh? Peter, you didn't fix it. What did you do, Peter? It's not fixed. This is a problem. You are just full of duty, and nothing is coming good from you. Oh, what's about going forward? What's about going forward? Will that happen? Will that help? Ah, it's very sunny, so I will have to deal with the camera. What's about zooming a little bit? Look at it. Look at it. Peter, you're a lucky boy. You fixed the problem. This vehicle, guys, it's absolutely incredible. The feeling from this Lexus. This is such a nice luxury small car. I absolutely dig it. And it just shows how old school I am, I guess. Grandpa Peter. This car has everything I need. I don't want anything else. It has a premium sound system. It has a alarm system, AC, power locks, power windows, leather interior and leather steering wheel and leather shifter. Sunroof. If it's really hot, you can keep it open and it just gets that hot air out of the cabin. This is perfection. I don't need anything else. I don't need a Apple CarPlay and these things. This is perfect. And I see why they are investing in the timing belt and so on. They will keep it in the family. And this vehicle will stay with family probably forever, because with such a low mileage, it actually might last forever. So thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful, this video, to everybody. If you have a problem with similar generation of Toyota or Lexus, this definitely was successful, and I hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.